Hello students, this is the video of class 5. It is chapter 5, Indian states. In this chapter you can see different states of our country. This is the map of our country and there are 28 states in our country. In this map the states are introducing by different colors. You have to write the state's name or you have to match the states with their capitals. Now from the top, it is Jammu Kashmir and the capital of Jammu Kashmir is Srinagar. Now it is Himachal Pradesh, the orange color is Himachal Pradesh and its capital is Shimla. Here it is the state of Punjab and the capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. This is Uttarakhand and the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. It is Haryana and the capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Here you can see that Punjab and Haryana, the capital of both states is Chandigarh. Here you can see yellow color, it is our Delhi and it is a union territory. Now it is Uttar Pradesh and the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. This is Rajasthan and the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Now here you can see Madhya Pradesh and the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. It is Gujarat and the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. This is Maharashtra and the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. This one, it is Karnataka and the capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. This is Tamil Nadu and the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. This is Kerala and the capital of Kerala is Trivandrum. It is Andhra Pradesh and the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. It is Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. This is Odisha and its capital is Bhubaneswar. This is Jharkhand and the capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. This is Bihar and the capital of Bihar is Patna. This one is West Bengal and the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. This is Sikkim and the capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. This one is Meghalaya and the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. This is Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur. This is Arunachal Pradesh and the capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. This one is Nagaland and the capital of Nagaland is Kohima. This is Manipur and the capital of Manipur is Imphal. This one is Mizoram and the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. This is Tripura, and the capital of Tripura is Agartala. Here you can see it is Goa, and the capital of Goa is Panaji. तो जैसे कि हम लोग देखते हैं, कश्मीर से लेके केरला, यहाँ कन्याकुमारी है, कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक भारत एक है और भारत में कुल 28 स्टेट्स है। आप लोगों को बताना है, एक कॉलम में आप यहाँ से टोटल स्टेट्स को लिखेंगे सीरियली 1 बाय 1, और फिर आपको उसके जस्ट नेक्स्ट कॉलम में उसी के बगल में आपको वो स्टेट्स के कैपिटल्स लिखने हैं। इट इज़ योर रिटन असाइनमेंट, कैपिटल एंड स्टेट्स। उसका मैं यहाँ पे आप लोगों को एक असाइनमेंट एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे बता रहा हूँ। आप लोगों को इस तरह से लिखना है। दिस वन इज स्टेट, दिस वन इज़ कैपिटल। सपोज़ आप लोगों ने यहाँ अरुणाचल प्रदेश लिखा है तो यहाँ ईटानगर लिखेंगे, नागालैंड लिखे हैं तो कोहिमा लिखेंगे, मिज़ोरम ऐज़वाल, गोवा Panaji. In one column you can write the name of states and in another column you can write the capitals. Okay, thank you.